Alright, y'all, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing today? Well, y'all can see, this I think is the first time I've showed y'all this. This looks a little different to you. It's because of my front porch on my leather shop is actually just a boxed in addition now. I needed the extra room and stuff, and I can't remember, it's probably been April maybe when I started, March, April, somewhere when I started working on this, I believe. And it could have been a little earlier than that. But anyway, y'all, I haven't done a video on it, building anything like that. I just built it, and just want to show y'all what I got here and what we're going to be doing in here. I got a Cobra 26 sewing machine that I bought earlier in the year. I've not put it together yet. It's sitting in my house, and I just ain't had no time, just be honest with you, to get it out and mess with it. I've been busy doing everything else, and eventually that's where the sewing machine is going to be, right here in this little room here. And I cut this right there, cut this wall out right here, put my door, well, I got to build my door, but that's where my door is going to go. And this is where I'm going to be doing my sewing and stuff for my leather right in here. And right now I'm just utilizing some of this room on the wall to put some of these belts that I've made for sale. And I got some leather over here in the corner. And that's another thing, y'all. Got to get some racks built or buy some to store my leather on, because right now I just kind of got leather everywhere, and it's a little I don't like being disorganized with that kind of stuff, because I like when I need certain leather or whatever, being able to pull it and know exactly what I got. But anyway, y'all, I'm just step in here. This used to be my wood shop in here, and it's still got all my woodworking tools and everything kind of crammed up on this one side, because I'm doing my leather work and my layout table right here on this side. And eventually all this right in here is probably just gonna be my get this moved out and be all this my leather shop too eventually. But right now just got my stuff over here, and I got leather everywhere in boxes and down here and underneath it, and leather on the wall. And but anyway, y'all, this is just a little quick tour, I guess, and show you that new addition there on my leather shop. I've had computer problems, I guess, probably, I don't know, for months now. It seems like I bought a new computer probably 4 or 5 months ago, and just I didn't know much about the computer and stuff, but it didn't have enough memory in it, and it's been giving a lot of problems and stuff, and especially now it's getting a lot worse. And that's why I ain't been making a lot of videos. And just the other day I went and bought me a new computer, and I know what I bought the other day and make sure it's exactly what I needed, and it's doing a great job. And that's why I'm making this video, because I'm gonna download this for y'all and let y'all see that. I just want to show y'all my new little addition right here on my leather shop. It's got some little things that need to be touched up on, some trim, stuff like that before it's, done. But for most part, it's workable. It's insulated and everything. And just gotta get this door behind me right there. Build me a door, put in there, and I just walk in here. Gotta see this. There's my little part right here that I work in every day, and y'all have seen that plenty of times. It's a mess. I gotta get it cleaned up, but that's my little spot right here. I do a lot of my work right here, takes place right here. And like I say, it's full of stuff around through here. And got this little leather splitter over here that I use to split my buckwind of my belt down, make my leather thinner. And I don't think I've ever seen that either. That works very good. And I'm gonna show y'all this. I ain't never talked about this. It's just a little, you can get these off Temu. That's where I got this. And you seen the other day, Amazon's carrying these now. This is aluminum leather splitter. I love this little tool. It does a good job for me. You see these numbers right there. It goes up like a 50 millimeter, and cutting straps, and that's what I use to cut my belt straps with. It's I'm not gonna say it's a flawless tool, because there's a couple of things I don't like that could be better. But as long as you're careful and watch it, whatever, you know, it'll work for you. I like it a lot better than this wood, right up there, wood strap cutter. I don't like that. This does a lot better job. But two things I don't like about it is you can see right here the blade. You see that blade right there stuck up. You can grind that off. I don't know why they didn't make the blade shorter, but anyway, you can grind that off. It don't bother me. I just know it's there, and I'm not gonna put my hand on it. But you know, if you've got type you don't like it, just grind that off, and that will take care of that. The other thing is the two brass knobs. These do a really good job, y'all, tightening up the strap cutter, and it makes everything very secure. But the only downside of I've seen is sometimes, especially on a narrow piece of leather, when you're running it through, if you get that leather a little bit, if you flex it a little bit too much, the knurling on these brass knobs, that leather will come in contact, and it can put scratch your leather some. But if you keep it straight and don't twist it around, anything like that, it don't do that. But that's the only thing I could see that maybe I guess the person could grind them down a little bit, or make them, flat on that side of it right there. You wouldn't have that problem in between there, just to do a little modification. But overall, y'all, this is for the money. I think it's a very, very good tool, and I just want to show y'all that I use that all the time. It does a very good job. Heavy duty, aluminum. It's good and square. The fitment of it's good and square. Good. I guess when they built it, it wasn't sloppy. Good tight square fit. But anyway, y'all, I just want to make y'all a quick video today and show you that new part. That's the main part of the video. And I got here rambling about this strap cutter, y'all. But and this splitter over here. But anyway, y'all, I appreciate y'all coming along watching the videos. I've been enjoying this cooler weather. I imagine a lot of you getting experience some of this cooler weather we've been having. It feels, I'm not gonna say like a fall completely, but it beats this hot summer weather we've been having earlier in the year. So we've been enjoying that, and I'm gonna try to bring y'all a little bit more on videos and stuff now that I got a computer that I can download the videos on, because I couldn't even take the video clips from my camera. I tried, like the vacation video I just put out, I tried to download the clips, and it wouldn't download the clips from my camera. So I've been having problems. That's one reason I ain't been making videos. It just ain't been working out for me. But I've got that taken care of now, and so I'm happy about that, to be able to do some more videos and stuff now. And not saying I'm gonna do a lot of videos, and I'll just show you stuff from here and there like I always do, if I'm working on something. But I appreciate y'all coming along today. Hope everybody's been having a good day. And thank y'all for watching my videos. I appreciate it, and hope y'all have a good day. And as always, for my family, yours, y'all have a blessed day. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.